Everyone is talking about making money with AI, but most of the content out there is either vague, outdated, or just trying to sell you a course. This video is different. I'm going to break down 5 real legitimate ways people are using AI to make money online right now in 2026 with actual steps you can follow, not just theory. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech person. You don't need to know how to code. You just need to know how to use the tools. And by the end of this video, you will. Let's get into it. Quick note, everything I mention is linked in the description. Some links are affiliate links, which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. I only recommend things I'd actually use myself. Okay, method number 1, freelance AI writing and content creation. Businesses need content, blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, product descriptions. The problem is most business owners don't have time to write it themselves. That's where you come in. Using Claude or ChatGPT, you can produce high-quality written content in a fraction of the time it used to take. A blog post that used to take 3 hours now takes 30 minutes, and that's including editing and polishing. You can offer these services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. AI writing services are in massive demand right now, and rates range from $50 to $500 per piece, depending on the complexity and your positioning. The key is to not just copy and paste AI output. Use it as a first draft, then add your own insight, edit for tone, and make it genuinely useful. That's what separates the people making real money from the ones getting flagged for low-quality work. Getting started, create a Fiverr account, set up a gig offering blog posts or social media content, use Claude to help you write samples for your portfolio, and start applying for jobs on Upwork. Method number 2, the Faceless YouTube channels. You're literally watching one right now. Faceless YouTube channels use AI for the script, AI for the voiceover, stock footage for the visuals, and AI tools for the thumbnails. The creator never appears on camera, never records their own voice, and yet channels like this are making anywhere from a few hundred to tens of thousands of dollars a month from ad revenue and affiliate links. The startup cost is minimal, around $20 to $30 a month for the tools. The main investment is time and consistency. The key to making this work is picking the right niche. High CPM niches like finance, AI, tech, and business pay significantly more per view than entertainment or gaming. A finance channel with 50,000 views a month can earn more than a gaming channel with 500,000 views. Getting started, pick a niche. Use Claude to write your scripts, 11 Labs for voiceover, in-video AI to generate the video, and Canva for thumbnails. Post consistently, 1 video a week minimum. Method number 3, AI-generated digital products. This one has the highest passive income potential of anything on this list. Digital products, ebooks, templates, prompt packs, guides, planners can be created once and sold forever, and AI makes creating them dramatically faster. Here's a real example. Someone creates a pack of 100 ChatGPT prompts for small business owners. They use Claude to write and refine the prompts, Canva to design a nice PDF, and sell it on Gumroad or Etsy for $15. If it sells 10 copies a day, that's $150 a day from something they built once. Prompt packs, Notion templates, AI art collections, and niche ebooks are all selling consistently right now. The market is real and growing. Getting started, think about a problem a specific group of people have. Use Claude to help you create a solution in digital product form. Set up a free Gumroad account and start selling. Method number 4, AI automation services for local businesses. This one is underrated and has huge income potential. Most local businesses, restaurants, gyms, salons, real estate agents are overwhelmed and understaffed. They need help with things like responding to customer inquiries, scheduling appointments, following up with leads, and managing social media. You can use AI tools to build simple automations that handle these tasks for them. Tools like Zapier combined with ChatGPT can build workflows that automatically respond to emails, generate social posts, or summarize customer feedback without the business owner lifting a finger. You don't need to be a developer to do this. You just need to understand the tools and be willing to learn. Charge local businesses a setup fee of $500 to $2,000 and a monthly retainer of $200 to $500 to maintain the automations. Land 3 clients and you're making over $1,000 a month recurring. Getting started. Identify a local business with obvious inefficiencies. Offer to audit their workflow for free. Show them what AI could automate. Then charge to build and maintain it. Method number 5, affiliate marketing for AI tools. This is the lowest barrier to entry of everything on this list. AI tools have some of the best affiliate programs on the internet right now. 11 Labs pays 22% recurring commission. Jasper AI pays 25% recurring. That means if someone signs up through your link and stays subscribed, you get paid every single month. You don't need a massive audience, a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, a newsletter, even a Reddit post, or any platform where you can share your honest experience with a tool and drop a link can generate affiliate income. The key is genuine recommendation. Don't just spam links. Actually use the tools, show people how they work, and explain why they're worth it. That's what converts. Getting started, sign up for 2 or 3 affiliate programs for tools you actually use. Create content around those tools, reviews, tutorials, comparisons, drop your links. That's it. So let's recap the 5 methods. 1. Freelance AI writing. Use AI to produce content for businesses at scale. Fiverr and Upwork are your starting points. 2. Faceless YouTube channels. Low cost to start, compounds over time, passive income from ads and affiliates. 3. AI digital products. Create once, sell forever. Prompt packs and templates are hot right now. 4. AI automation for local businesses. High ticket, recurring revenue, massively underserved market. 5. Affiliate marketing for AI tools. Lowest barrier to entry, recurring commissions, works on any platform. You don't need to do all 5. Pick the one that fits your skills and situation and go deep on it. Now, before you go, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 methods are you most interested in trying? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'll reply to as many as I can. If this was useful, hit the like button. It helps this channel reach more people who are trying to figure out this AI stuff. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, I break down the tools, strategies, and news that are actually worth your time. I'll see you in the next one.